Hello, Mr. Vargas. My name is Gerardo Flores. I'm going to speak about my family tree. My maternal grandmother is Maria. She's very happy. She has 80 years old. She lives in Roque Sainz Peña. My grandmother, four sons and four daughters. My maternal grandfather is Jose. He's very happy. Uh, he's 86 years old. Uh, he lives on the beach in Villa Villa. The three daughters and two sons with my grandmother. My paternal grandmother is Florentina. My paternal grandfather is Hilario. My mother is Nieves. Uh, is a teacher. The social science course at the Modesto Basadre School at the secondary level. She is very happy. She cooks very well. She like to kind. Uh, she watch Korean and Japanese movies. Uh, she is 57 years old. She uh, she lives in Cuya next Pachia. My father is Victor. He's a farmer who runs potatoes, squash, broccoli, and he has a red trunks. He is 72 years old. He lives in Mikuya next Pachia. My brother is Victor. He's a student at the Jorge Basadre University, Said and Liper Peru. He has an architect uh, studied uh, at the university. He is 19 years old. My brother, his favorite actor is Jim Carrey. He lives in Nicuya next Pachia. I, Gerardo, I studied at the private university of Tacna and said I have 18 years old. I lives Mikuya next Pachia. I study accounting. I like I like to play soccer and video games. I lives I lives with my parents. Tax.